Hi everyone! My name is Piotr Gaczkowski and welcome to my course Managing Advanced Logging and Tracing in Kubernetes. I am an independent DevOps consultant and an IT teacher. Debugging distributed applications can be hard unless we make our lives easier by implementing logging, tracing, and monitoring. This course is a guide helping you to introduce all of the elements necessary to make debugging Kubernetes applications much more enjoyable. Some of the major topics that we will cover include accessing Kubernetes logs, managing logs with Fluentd and Elasticstack, tracing with Jaeger, monitoring with Prometheus. By the end of this course, you'll learn what is observability and how each of the mentioned topics contributes towards it. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with setting up and accessing a Kubernetes cluster, as well as deploying simple applications to Kubernetes. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn different aspects of observability with the Advanced Logging and Tracing in Kubernetes course at Pluralsight.